Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use SoundGrid Studio. First, let's understand its core purpose, connecting your audio interfaces and Waves plugins. This powerful system provides ultra-low latency, essential for live monitoring and mixing. Begin by ensuring your SoundGrid server and all audio interfaces are properly connected. Then, install the SoundGrid Studio application on your computer. This foundational setup is crucial for a smooth and efficient workflow, allowing you to harness its full potential. Next, we dive into the heart of SoundGrid Studio, the patch bay. This intuitive matrix allows for incredibly flexible routing of all your audio signals. You can easily connect inputs from your physical audio interfaces directly to any of the mixer channels. Similarly, route the mixer's outputs to your monitoring system, headphones, or even back into your digital audio workstation. Mastering the patch bay enables you to create custom signal flows for any recording or mixing scenario with precision. Now, let's explore the integrated mixer and plugin capabilities. The SoundGrid Studio mixer is robust, offering up to 64 channels for your audio. A key advantage is the ability to insert your favorite Waves plugins directly onto any mixer channel. This allows for real-time processing and adjustment of plugin parameters, all while maintaining near-zero latency. You can monitor your audio with professional-grade effects, ensuring a pristine and responsive sound experience during tracking or mixing. Finally, let's look at some advanced tips to optimize your SoundGrid Studio workflow. Always save and recall custom session presets for quick and efficient setup changes. Seamlessly integrate with your digital audio workstation using the SoundGrid driver, extending your studio's power. For demanding projects, consider utilizing multiple SoundGrid servers to significantly increase your processing capabilities. Remember to optimize buffer sizes for the best performance and stability, ensuring a smooth and reliable production environment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.